Hey, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you how to make some quick and easy custom artwork for your home. I'm going to be using Dollartree frames. I've used them before to make a Mod Podge kind of thing. And I've also done a bigger version of this, which I'll put a link down below. But this time I'm reversing the canvas. So what you're going to be doing is using the frame underneath to frame out your artwork once you're done. So to do that, you're going to need to cut open. You can pry open the staples, you can cut them open like I did. You want to just make sure you leave a little excess of the canvas so that you can put it back on when you're done. You can choose to paint the frames like I have done, or you can leave them in the original state, or you can also wood stain them. Once you've decided what you want to do with the frames, you'll go onto your canvas pieces. I'm using what would be the back side of the canvas to paint my artwork on. I want to do it like a continuous artwork piece, so I'm lining them up and I'm just doing a few quick swish details, and I'm only using 3 colors. I use black, white, which I blend into the I blended the white into the black, which made it kind of gray, and then I use a little hint of gold also on there. And it doesn't have to be perfect because it's abstract art, and you can do it your way, how you feel, or you can look online for inspiration. So once you're done with that and that has all dried, then you're going to take and go on to the next step, which is going to be putting the canvases back onto the frame, which is another super simple step. All right, so once they're all dried, and you can see once I line them up, they kind of match. You're just going to put the frame on top just like that, flip it over and staple it down. Make sure it's as snug as it can be, and make sure you're stapling on to the frame, not the canvas. You want to make sure it's on there good. You can also try maybe hot gluing it. I have never done it that way. I just usually go around with a few staples and it works out well for me. And then you're going to cut off the excess, making sure not to cut too close to the staples because you don't want it to come off over time. And then this is it. You have custom artwork for your home. If you liked, please give it a big old thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.